Garbage.
What is this?
It's Microsoft Excel.
Wow!
Why? 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 Why?
Wow!
Why?
Hello, chat,
Garbage.
and welcome to Spooky October. Welcome, everybody. Can't dox me now, chat, because you have no idea who is behind the mask. Well, that's awkward. Hello, and welcome to Friday's stream, as usual. Of course it wasn't you. Of course not. No, no, no. It was just a small disconnect. No problem. Well, chat. It's great to see you. Welcome in. Good to see all of you again. After such a long time. It's been forever. Ha, look. I'm stripping on stream. Down, 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 down. How is everybody doing? Rugmat. Or should I say, sorry, Roy Leasy, congratulations on being officially first today. And Cypher Enigma, you were not first, but you were officially not first. Let's welcome in everybody. Rugmat, Steffi, Jason. How's everybody doing today? I'm not preparing for bunny suit. I'm not. It's too warm. Speaking of masks, did my name make its way onto the mask of subscriptions? It did not, and I wanted to ask you, right, Join. Where would you like it to be? And what color would you like? Also, small adjustments. It's good to see everybody, some of you again since yesterday, and some of you again since a while. Cypher would like to have it, wait, on the left? Right across the face in bright red, because I'm embarrassed for right join. No. Forehead yellow, big letters. You get the same level of writing as everybody else, okay? Hello, Roy Leasy. Congratulations on being first today. Very impressive. All right, here we go.
Michael? What are the odds?
Was just checking if it said best join or worst. Hi, today I'm struggling with a snake. Aw, I'm sorry to hear that. Do you mean snake as in reptile, or snake as in audio equipment, or snake as in snake case?
Why?
Here it is. On the forehead. Only join. We're actually going to be talking about joins today, chat. There's a news article about joins. Can you believe that? Ian, thank you for the bit. Appreciate it. I hope all of you are doing well. I had a fantastic stream yesterday. In case you missed it, you can go and read it in the Patreon stream recap for free. But I got raided with the biggest raid that we have ever had on Twitch. That's right. 238 viewers. From Afor Digital, aka Sarah, who is a Spanish-speaking tech streamer. And I was absolutely blown away. Could not believe it. So many follows. Absolutely incredible. It's something like 40 follows or something ridiculous. And how are all of you doing on this kind and calm Friday? They say it must be bad people. Now I have a criminal record. No one released first. Oh, because of the timeout. This just in. Right join is the join on my forehead. Snake as in Python. Oh. That sounds problematic. I have a few things to tell you, chat. The first is I ordered a couple of I ordered a couple of prop items. This is one of the prop items I ordered. I thought it would be funny for like one stream idea I have in particular. Is there a 20 in there? Oh, there is. Look at that. Congratulations. So yeah, I thought it would be pretty interesting for a stream idea that I have to wear that mask. Also just for normal standard giggles, right? And oh, no 20 for you. I also ordered a couple other things. I ordered new wheels for my chair. And I gotta say, chat, it's kind of wild how big the difference is. It's no, really, it's incredible. Like the standard wheels are made for carpet, and these ones are made for hardwood, and they are absolutely insane. Like it's so smooth. Look, I'm just using my feet right now just to move me around. It's like I couldn't do that before. I had to like push myself off the table. It makes a huge difference. So if you're thinking about buying a chair, or you already have a chair and you have hardwood, then I highly, highly recommend that you buy the rollerblade style wheels, because that makes a huge difference. I'm really not joking. It's an actual huge difference, really. So yeah, or get a carpet, of course. Absolutely.
Just
Yeah.
drop in and just
Yeah.
smack the lip. Whoop-ah. Drop down. Snap. Ah.
Not bad. Whoa! Anyway, I also ordered another prop, but I kind of wanted to use it for something else that I haven't prepared yet. But let's just say it's bunny related. Let's just leave it at that. It's bunny related. So there used to be a redeem on this channel, on this stream. There used to be a redeem, and it's gone. It's currently deactivated. And I think it's a bit of a shame, so I'm going to reactivate it when I have some time. Because, yeah, I just think it would be nice to have it back again. Bunny Suit is already active, is it not? Bunny Suit V2 is already active. The question is, Steffi, never mind about Bunny Suit. Do you have enough points to end the stream? That's the real question. Because if you do, then things are very exciting. But anyway, today's Friday. And if we're streaming on Friday, that can only mean one thing. Steffi, you have enough points? When will you use it? When will you use it? That's the real question. Wow, right, Join, you used it again? Did it work this time? I don't know if it worked. There's no error in Atom. There's no error in Atom, so it worked. Cool. Yeah, it was probably some kind of Twitch API bug or something. I don't know. Well, congratulations. Live in fear. I'm terrified. When someone in your chat has the power to end your stream at any time, you are living in perpetual fear that they're going to press that button. And I don't know. I don't know. Oh! A four just shouted us out because she's live. Sarah, the streamer who raided us yesterday, she's live at the moment. Why is she shouting me out? Why is she shouting me out? Oh, because we're watching the clip. We're watching the clip from yesterday where she speaks at like 130,000 RPM. Sorry, WPM. This is so funny, actually. Anyway, I really want to know about your week, chat, because it's Friday, and it means you've reached the end of the week. You've reached the end of the week. Oh yeah, should we watch it? What kind of clip is going to come up this time? I really wonder.
Pasó en la mano que me lesioné en boxeo. A ver, claro, me puedo poner los cascos feos, ¿vale? Y
Oh, frog hat!
puedo poner el gorrito este.
Yeah! Yeah!
Es que no se puede usar esto
How
con
cool.
cascos. A ver,
We're
y
like
para
animal
empezar, o sea,
friends.
¿por qué la cámara está tan bajo? Es que no lo entiendo. Vale, ahora estoy a una
Yeah.
altura normal, así. no funciona
Animal
esto.
friends. I hope her ears also do that. Ah, chat. Honestly, like I said yesterday, my week has been all over the place. Oh, keep it keep it on. Did you not see my beautiful haircut? It was to stay. Why did you take a screenshot of that? Or Elise, why did you take... There you go. You wanted to make me stay like that for like a half an hour, didn't you? You wanted to make me stay like that for like half an hour. Yeah, of course. Of course, you wanted me to hold the pose for like a 1,000 years. But anyway, no, I mean, Sarah rated us yesterday. And honestly, I'm pretty sure that we're going to do a collaboration of some kind. I'm pretty sure that we're going to do a collaboration of some kind because it's just, it's so much fun to collaborate with people that aren't within your bubble, you know, that you normally wouldn't run into. And because she streams in Spanish, I don't really understand much of what's going on. Also because she talks at like 3,000 words per minute. Even if I do understand some Spanish, it's just like I struggle to understand anything in the stream. Ikuro time, thank you very much for the follow, and hello to you. Welcome to the stream. I will definitely raid you next week. Thank you, Ikuro. I appreciate that. That's wonderful. Thank you so much for stopping by. I think I'll be streaming next week. Hey, Jay Walter. Did I look at the other Whisper AI than the one? Oh, I think I looked at a different one. Oh, you meant OpenAI's Whisper API. Is that what you meant? I think that's what you meant. Do I have an MP3 version of the clip? I do not have an MP3 version of the clip. I would need to create one. But I can do that later. And then we could see if it works. Maybe. Thank you for wishing me a nice stream, Ukuro. Of course, you feel free to lurk. Feel free to stick around if you like. Today is Friday, so it is the Data Cafe. And the Data Cafe is about data and tech news. And it's being done super efficiently and super clean because my hair is shorter than yesterday. Hey, yo, I found you from the Claw Discord. I really like Tom Kha soup. Literally nothing is better. Well, Malcolm, that is quite an opinion. Do we have access to the screenshot list? That sounds like a good plan. Make it a hosted thing. I'm looking into... Releasing. I'm looking into writing custom code for Atom that that takes the screenshot that you took and posts it to the Discord. There is code available for it, so I just kind of need to glue a couple things together. Mostly, when the screenshot happens, you have to find the latest one in the folder because, well, it creates a lot of files, right? And you have to find the latest one with the timestamp, and then based on that, you have to get the image, and then you have to format it into correct. Yeah, it's not so super simple to do, and because you need custom code for Atom, it means you need to run a node server while you stream. So yeah, allow Cordoni, thank you very much for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Glad to have you here. So many follows today. Also, Ator027. I think I forgot to thank you. Thank you very much for following and welcome. I think you came in at the same time. If only I had a copy of that clip. Fine. Jay Walter. Okay. Wait. Hold on a second, Jay Walter. I made a note. The timestamp is very important. The timestamp is very important. It's around it's like a couple minutes max, but basically from that point onwards. Yeah. Thank you very much. And thank you for the good vibes. I appreciate it, really easy. Look at these beautiful vibes all over the stream. So, Data Cafe. The Data Cafe is about sharing news and updates, and this music is incredibly epic. Definitely not connected to the chair. No, it's not connected to the chair. Look. See? No cables. Nothing connected. I might make a coffee that has pink petals falling at all times. So yes, and I would like to share something with you, chat. Before we get to the meme of the day. And I don't know, would I be able to share something with you?
Garbage.
Oh. Am I allowed to share something with you, chat? Is the drop game broken? It is. The drop game is kaput. Let me try and fix it. Stream games. Pixel, plush, drop, refresh. All right. Let's try again. Can you please stay quiet for 30 seconds? I need to record a copy of the clip. Oh, wait. You can clip the stream, I think, for 30. Oh, no, you can't. It's 30 seconds max for a clip, or 60 seconds. Maddie Two Shoes, where the underscore stands for big data. You know what's really funny? You know what's super funny, Finite? I actually have a YouTube video that talks about big data. How many seconds did you need translated? Yeah, it's around, Jay Walter, it's probably around 2 minutes or so. I don't know if you understand Spanish, but there's like a mention of my name, and then I just wanted to understand what was said. I'm more curious if Whisper can do it, kind of thing. Look, chat. Look, my data is too big for Google. My data is too big for Google. That's fine. Time for elephant sequel, because our data is wide and long. That's what she said. My data is too big for Google. That's fine. Anyway, Finite, great to see you. Happy to have you here. Such massive data. I have something very exciting to share with you, chat. I have a secret to tell you. Who wants to know the secret? In May of this year. My name's not really Matt. No, my name is actually Matthew. Jeff.
Garbage.
I secretly love right joints. Nope. So, in May of this year, I came into contact with a very talented musician. I'm not an AI, Jeff. And I asked this musician if they could record or create an intro song for my stream. Not a music video, but an audio track. I'm deliberately not playing any music now because what I would like to do is I would like to play you the track that they have created for the intro of my stream. Now, there is a caveat. It is loopable. It's around 2 minutes and it's loopable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the starting soon scene and I'm going to play the music. Now, bear in mind that I'm not going to have the starting soon scene look like that with that music because I don't think it fits anymore. I'm going to have a new starting soon style. But I'm also looking for your feedback, chat, on that. Do you think the existing starting soon could work with this new track? Let's find out. Let's hear it. And so I present to you the new intro song for my stream. There's actually no title for it. But yeah, I'm just going to go and play it. Here we go.
Garbage.
What do we think, chat? What is your impression?
Why? Why? Why?
Here it is. Yes, it's instrumental. An audio track. I'm deliberately not playing any music now because what I would like to do is I would like to play you. What is happening right now? I really like this track, but I don't think it fits with the existing intro animation. That is my current feeling. Marcy says it should be called Tubular Data Dells. That's a pretty good name, actually. I hate to break the mood, but it's been a while since I've been here. When you get a chance, could you briefly mention what you're working on these days? Absolutely, Jeff. No problem. Yeah. Okay. I'm glad you feel the same way, Cypher. But independently of that, what do we think of the track? What do we think about it? It was created by another Twitch streamer named Bard, aka the Graceful Bard. The old screen is more chaotic. This is very wait and see. My opinion, instrumentals aren't really my thing. That's fair. I think it could work with a very different animation and intro screen style. Oh, I wanted to change this. Wait. I wanted to change... There we go. Oh, clip.
Wheel spin group.
So Bard does a lot of improv.
The raffle, that's done. Pink is Zala.
Bard does a lot of improv stuff on her stream.
And then now we have RPG.
And she created this track just for me.
Cool. And maybe we'll have a vote on it. Maybe we'll make it like, you know, we can have a vote.
Her streams are incredible. Like when you see someone live looping and stuff, it's so hard to imagine how to do that. What decides which clips get into the breaks? Play counts, more or less. Play count and then random. Why do you ask, Lisi? I'm very curious what you're doing. I saw you clipping stuff and I'm not sure what's going on. Jeff, to answer your question, these days I am actually working on two things mainly. Number one is Justin Chatters. So actually next Monday, we plan to work on Justin Chatters for the last time before break. Because I'm going to be away for a little bit. Again, Justin Chatters is a bionic Twitch chat. That's right, Justin Chatters. It's written as Justin Chatters. It's written as one word. It's a bionic Twitch chat reader. Oh, thank you, Jay Walter. Wow, that was quick. Thank you so much. Holy crap. That's a lot of text. And the idea with Justin Chatters, it's not text to speech, it's bionic chat. Let me show you what it looks like currently. I think there is a... Do I have a working version? I may have a work version. To me, bionic means that show from the 70s. Ah, no. No. No, that's... Sorry, just in letters. My mistake. Sorry, just in letters. So this is... This is what bionic chat does. Bionic chat is a type of text highlighting. Thank you for the link, Steffi. That basically translates certain words into... translate. It highlights the first certain number of characters of a word so that you can read faster. So the idea behind Justin Letters would be to read chat faster. And this first version works, but I really wanted a lot more customization. And so on Monday, I think we're going to work on Justin Letters a bit. So you can read Twitch chat bionically, and the idea would be to miss less messages because you can read messages faster. Ah, that dumb thing one of my coworkers was obsessed with. So, hi, Jonathan, by the way. Hello. And so the idea would be to work on this. And the other project that I would like to work on a little bit at some point, again, in my life, is a very different project. It's called Just in Numbers. And some of you who are here have been here for a long time, have heard of it before. And actually, the scope of the project changed completely from what I originally thought it was going to be. You like the naming scheme. Do you get the reference? I guess you know the reference. Just in Numbers is now going to be a channel points focused product. It comes from Twitch used to be called Justin TV before it was bought by Amazon. So that's why it is called Just in Numbers, Just in Letters, etc. There's actually quite a few Justin products now. There's Justin Chatters, Justin Letters, and then we've got Justin Numbers. And I think we probably could have more. I think there could be more. There could be more. And what I did yesterday is I published a potential solution. Ooh, let's actually check. We can check Netlify. We can check if it's not Netflix. Netlify. We can check if it deployed because they actually fixed my bug already. Jin channel points. Oh, I might have to redeploy it. Hold on. Production deploys, trigger deploy. So what I did yesterday, Jeff, was yeah, Just in Numbers is going to be about Twitch channel points. And basically, I already have a way for you to collect everything that's happening with channel points on your channel through a very cool solution that one of us in chat built called Tau. It collects all the events that are happening programmatically, puts them in a database, and then you would be able to understand some stats about your channel points, and you would be able to see who's redeemed the most, because actually Twitch doesn't give you any reporting about it. Zero. Because it's not revenue generating for them, which is why they will probably never build something about it. And so it is a niche product. It is a product for people who want to understand channel point usage. Yep.
Wow.
So let's see if this one actually works now. I may have to like redeploy it or something. Oh wait, they made an update. So I need to pull... Anyway, this doesn't work yet. I can show you a screenshot, though. So this is what... No, that's the error. Where did the screenshot go? I already... Oh, I know where it is. It's on Patreon. Do. Here we go. So this is what... I was trying out this solution yesterday called Evidence. And Evidence allows you to write... So, if you don't know, like, most people, most streamers, they sit in front of their computer and they don't know how to stream. They don't know how to analyze their stream. They look at tons of
Garbage.
charts. And they have no idea. They are confronted with so many problems, and all they can do is click through all of their different dashboards, and they have no idea what they should be doing. But fortunately, there is an answer for all of you streamers out there. And the answer, my friends, is Just in Numbers. If you haven't heard of Just in Numbers, If you haven't heard of Justin Numbers by now, then I don't know where you've been living. On this channel, we've been talking non-stop about Justin Numbers. So yes, we also have ads for our own products here. But yeah, evidence would be basically a visualization layer for the underlying technology which already exists, right? The most advanced real-time analytics engine for your Twitch live stream so you can improve your content and recognize certain indicators without being a data nerd. That was originally the scope of the project, Jeff, exactly. So originally, the scope of the project was that I wanted to be able to inform streamers what was happening in chat. Now I can show you what I mean about sitting in your stream. So the underlying technology is very simple. The underlying technology is, here it is. The underlying technology is the following. I have a database called Tau. Tau is running 24/7, 7 days a week on railway.app. So if I go to McStreamy Face.
I love this. Look at that.
Yeah,
like,
that's me.
It's like Maddie is just staying still in the middle of the panel as it scrolls by. But he's
Can't believe that's a clip of me. What was the chance of that happening?
Bars going across.
Jailbird.
Good stuff. Good stuff, Rugmat. Okay, let's
nice hat, Finite.
Let's get back to what we were working on here.
Ooh, whoever clipped that should have stopped the clip earlier. Anyway, so basically the idea is that Tau catches everything, provided that in the config, you tell it that you want everything. Now, some things I haven't given it permission for, but I've given it for most things. I want to listen to basically everything possible. So how does it catch everything? Well, Twitch provides all of these different APIs for you, Jeff. And what Finite has done with Tau is that he has basically collected all of these different APIs into one endpoint, the Tau endpoint. And basically you just tell Tau, these are all the subscriptions I want. And then it basically just listens. It listens to all the different endpoints on event sub very, very carefully. And so it catches all of the things. It's like a fire hose, but it's only from your stream. This is the most important thing, Jeff. Each streamer does need to authorize this. But it's totally a streaming thing. It's a total stream. It's event. I mean, it's WebSocket, but or no, sorry, it's not. It's event subscription. So only some things get notified on event subscription. Not everything, but most things. So it's not like Commander Root. No. What Commander Root is doing is very different. No. Commander Root doesn't have access to channels. Commander Root does various different things. We have access that someone could not have unless they authorize, right? Webhooks. So, what happens is, all of that data gets written to a database. So if I switch here to Tau, you can see this Twitch events table. Let me show you what this table looks like. This is what this table looks like. You have a table where you've got every single event with the type of event that it was. So like follow, raids, channel point actions. Couldn't a bot and chat get the same info? No. Chat infos. This is what's confusing to people, and it makes sense, right? Chat, like the connection to chat and the connection to the stream are very different things. They're two entirely separate products from Twitch. Twitch's interface just puts them together for you, but they are two entirely separate products. And the access to information like this about things like raids or channel point rewards are only available through authentication. They've started putting more and more and more things behind authentication for a lot of different reasons. Chat is like IRC, yeah, more or less. Not 100%, because some things now are not on IRC anymore, but anyway. So the point is you have all this information, and you have all the event data. So you can literally do with it what you want. You can do whatever you want with this data, and you have all of it. So as long as you run Tal, and in my case, I'm running it 24/7. Let me show you this. If I do min created, max created, look how long I have been running Tau for. I've started running Tau the 30th of January, 2022, and I now have data all the way up till right now. This is almost 2 years worth of Twitch events. I mean, there's just an insane amount of events in here. I don't even know how many entries it is. It's 15,000 entries. 15,000 entries. And yeah, so I made a dashboard, of course, for myself. I made a dashboard here, which tracks various things, and because it's connected to the database, it updates automatically all the time, which is this is the most amazing part. So for example, yesterday, we had an absolutely freaking gigantic raid, right? And I have a bubble here, and I can see that this raid was absolutely huge because it's added a classifier for 400, which we didn't need before. So you can see here, I had so many, I had such a big raid. But it hasn't caught up on the follows yet, which is a bit strange. It's a bit weird. Why is it not caught up on the follows? Channel follow. That's a bit strange. I wonder if Twitch has a hiccup. Number of followers 0. Because that's not true, actually. Maybe I have to rerun this. Hold on. Also, I know it's a big ask, but you remember what you were doing a couple of years ago? Do I remember what I was doing a couple of years ago? Weird question, but I don't... Oh, I don't think the followers has ever worked here for some reason. Probably have to check that. May 2021. Oh, you mean like when you were last here? Is that what you mean, Jeff? Easy enough to find out. Ah, well, that's easy. Do you want to know what the streams were? I can tell you what the stream... Actually, we can just do it. We don't even need to do... Well, we can just do YouTube. Why not? No problem. Playlists. Livestream VODs. May 2021. You need to update Tau for followers. Twitch changed the subscription method. Oh, right. Right. But that means I can't get them retroactively, can I, Finite? I can't get them retroactively anymore, can I? Not through event sub, anyway. Oh. Crap, I forgot about that. Finite, can you shoot me a quick Discord message so I don't forget that? Could you just, like, one-liner update Tau for follows? May 2021. We were doing coding in R, BI notebooks, R Studio, coding in R. Oh, that was like the month of R. It was the month of R, I remember. I did like a quick R course on data camp. That's what it was. I remember liking R. It's a pretty cool channel. It's a pretty cool thing.
Like and subscribe. Bye.
It's a pretty cool thing. Anyway, it is time. It is time, chat. I have been to the future, chat. I have been to the future. I've been to 2056. And what surprised me, chat, is that they still use write joins. It's still part of the ANSI SQL standard. It surprised me a lot. I'm very disappointed. But in 2056, it's just called the join. No, I was very surprised. I was very surprised when I learned about that. Very surprised. So this is the meme of the day. That is how we kick off the stream. That's how we get things started. We talk about all kinds of stuff on the stream. And on Fridays, we are focused on news. Specifically, data news and tech news. And I cover, I would say, 4 main categories of news. And then 3 smaller categories with 1 article each. That is the structure of the Data Cafe. Because it's called the Data Cafe, it also needs to be structured because we don't like unstructured data. So the agenda is also structured. Makes sense? Great. Fantastic. So the first 4 categories are privacy and ethics, hardware and IRL, Gen AI, startups and tech. And then the 3 last categories are Swiss news, Twitch highlight, and random pick. Random pick is last because it is very absurd. Very weird. Can I get a data bologna sandwich and a bit shake? Of course you can, Ched. Please give your order to the cashier at the front and they will see that you get something served to you as quickly as possible. Most certainly, yes. Did you already pay, Ched Dev? Did you already pay for your meal? Because I can see from your badges in chat that it doesn't look like you've paid for your meal yet. Please do not take that as a sign that you have to sub or tip or anything. Of course not. I pay for after I eat like a normal American. What? Wait, you pay for food after you eat? How strange. In Europe, we always pay for food in advance. No, I live in Europe and we pay for food after eating, not in restaurants. What? No. Chat, come on. This is a universal thing. In Europe, we pay for food in advance. The reason we do that is because we order, we pay, and then we eat. And the reason we do that is because we are then done with the meal. It avoids all of the questions like, do you want something else? Or how about a dessert? Like, all those questions don't come up. When you order and then pay, it's done. The transaction is over. You get served your food, you sit there for as long as you want, and then you leave. That's it. Super simple. I'm trolling all of you. Anyway, so Twitch's ad system is working again today. I successfully trolled all of you because you really thought that's what I do. And then they cancel me they stop the stream in the... Oh, hello. Hi. Only at McDrek you order, pay, and then eat. Might be time to redeem and stream now. I dare you, Steffi. You wouldn't do it. You totally wouldn't do it. The thing is, I think you're the type of person... I think you're the type of person to hang on the points forever. In the hopes that one day... one day... you have something even bigger to redeem. I think you're a bit of a saver. I think you're a bit of a saver, Steffi. I don't think you would end the stream. Yeah, I was talking to YouTube while you cancelled me on Twitch, you know? What else am I supposed to do for 30 seconds? No, I don't. I think you're more of a saver type. I mean, it's there. It's obviously very tempting. You and I had a Zoom meeting 2+ years ago. Really? What? No! 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 Crap! I have 2 minutes! Oh no, chat! I can't believe Steffi's done it! No! I can't believe it's happening! No! I can't believe this! No! Okay, we have to find someone to raid. 90 seconds. Well, Steffi, I have to say, I underestimated you. I underestimated you. I didn't expect you to do this. I really was not prepared for this. I really didn't expect you to do this. Okay, so let's see who we can go raid today. I think we can probably raid. Where do you want to go? Oh no, 60 seconds. Okay. Panic. Let's do science and technology. Is this a good stream? Yes, why not? Okay, we'll take you to a meme stream. Purple is an option. Purple is an option. How much time do I have? How much time do I have? Why are there no alerts in chat? Purple is an option. 30 seconds? No. Oh, I know. Okay, okay. I know. We're gonna go... No, co-working is not good. Co-working is not good. Okay, we're gonna go here. We're gonna go here. Okay. What happens when I go to the end scene? Is it still... Oh, it's still red. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go...